Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Tacklife impact sockets. If you guys remember, a few days back we ended up getting these for about 25 bucks. We've been doing a lot of deals on these with ratchets. These are just the impacts. This is says Tacklife here. It does come with the plastic. Let's break this open. Alright, so we got some nice latches here. Plastic, by the way, not the... Let's see here. Let me get a feeling of these. Actually, these are not too bad. Yeah, these latches are not too bad. That's the way it looks when you open it. It does come with some foam pad here to prevent them from going side to side. 12-month warranty, Tacklife warranty card. Let's see here. We got a 21 millimeter. We got a 22 millimeter. We got a 23 millimeter. We got a 24 millimeter. We got an extension here. Maybe a, what is it? A 3-inch extension. Maybe a 6-inch extension. If you guys see here, it says chrome vanadium steel. Now, a lot of you on the comments are saying that, you know, chrome vanadium steel is not impact. You know, these are not impact sockets. These are not impact rated sockets. Higher end impact sockets are made from chrome moly. These are chrome vanadium steel. So cheaper sockets are made from chrome vanadium steel. If you want to get some higher end impact sockets, you're going to be paying a premium on that. It's going to be chrome moly. So that's going to be your material. That's why a lot of you are saying maybe you guys are confused. But just wanted to clarify that chrome vanadium steel, you can either get chrome sockets or you can get impact rated. When they are impact rated, they do a special treatment, like a heat treatment on the metal, so it'll withstand you know, the abuse basically. So just a little information about that. And then we got a big extension. Here is 10 inches, just about 10, a little bit shorter than 10 inches to make sure. This is a 3-inch. This is a 5-inch. It's a really nice set, especially for the price that I got it for. A lot of you got them already too. So we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, guys. You know what, guys? This is one of the few sets that does not does not skip the sockets basically, or the numbers or the sizes. It goes all the way from 10 to 24, which is something that I really like. So I definitely recommend these for the DIY. But it looks pretty decent. I mean, it's gonna be your matte black finish. You guys know it says chrome vanadium 21 millimeter, as it says right there, and it says Tacklife. So they do paint it, you know, they do have some surface paint there, 21 millimeters, and they do have some indentation, so it doesn't erase. So that's one thing I do like about that. Let's see here. So pretty nice finish, guys. The finish is not too bad. It's actually a pretty good finish. All right, I got some impact sockets here from Pittsburgh. This is from Harbor Freight. So this is a 19 millimeter socket. Again, guys, CRV. This is chrome vanadium steel. Guys, like I said, you know, these are impact rated sockets. Alright, so this is 19. As you guys see, this one's been used and abused. You guys see the you know, obviously the impact on those impact guns that I have. But you know, pretty clean. Both of these are pretty clean. So you guys see there, same familiar design. I gotta say, yeah, same familiar design. I wouldn't be surprised if these are the same company that makes these. So you see, even on the hole is the same. Size is a little bit bigger, the Pittsburghs. So I wouldn't be surprised if these are made by the same company. But anyways, just wanted to compare it with you guys. I do have an impact wrench here. So this is a Makita 1/2 inch impact wrench. So let's test the fit and see how well it fits. Oh, these are perfect, guys. They just fit like a glove, basically. Test some of these extensions. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, you got a nice. You got a. Oh, it tells you right here. It tells you the sizes, guys. That's nice. Got a 3-inch. Oh, it tells you 10-inch there. It's a pretty nice little set here, let me tell you. So, you know, great fitment there. Like I said, let's try this outside, see how well they do. Alright, so let's test. I do apologize for the sounds. My neighbor's over there with the vacuum, and then we got some dogs barking here. Alright, so this is the Makita impact wrench. Let's test the fitment on. This is not the one. So this is a Hyundai. Let's test this one. Looks like this is the size. This is a 21 millimeter. Fits pretty good. A little loose, but it fits pretty good. It's the perfect size for this. So we'll just try this out real quick. So just try this out here really quick. Yep. Alright, so we're not gonna tie it that much. But yeah, guys, pretty good. No problems with these. As you guys see here, no problems with these. Held up pretty good. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Just want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make me to review videos, so we YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.